Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like previously on you have seen we have covered up many of the React 18 projects and I hope you enjoy all the projects which we have done yet using React 18, and this is our another project using React 18 which we are doing. Previously on we have learned about what is JSX in React 18. In this video I'll be telling you what are props state in React 18 and how to use props in React 18. So remember to see this video if you want to learn how to just use props in React 18, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button and also share this video so more people can learn about React 18 and they can also see what is React 18, how to use it, and how to build projects using React 18. Soon when we'll be covering up the tutorial of React 18, we'll be also building projects using React and React 18 which will giving you help. But first of all we have to learn all the things using React 18 so we can understand what is React 18, how to work with that, and how to use React 18 from start to end. So just now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what is React 18 and how to just use it and what are props in React 18. From start to end we will be learning this. So just like I've telling you in today's video, I'll be telling you what are props in React 18. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing what are props in React 18. So props are basically that like we use JSX and React 18. So props are also used at the back end of the React 18. So now we'll be starting with that. So I will be opening my VS Code text editor. Then we were working on our folder with the name of app1. So our folder was in the location of local disk E. I will be opening that. You can see this is our folder here, app1. Then I'll be pressing select folder to open this. Then we have to run this folder. So I'll be moving to terminal, and then we have to write the command npm start to run our file here on our browser. So it will be running my file on my default Google Chrome, or you can say my Opera browser, which is default. So it will be running my file there. Then I'll be just using the source file here. In the previous video I've telling you about JSX and we have just learned about JSX element and constructor. So here I will be erasing all the stuff which we are getting, because here I will be today telling you what are props, and props are basically the import word which we are using. So if I write here import props, so if I write here import props here, you can see you will be getting many of the stuff related to props, like you will be getting prop with children, prop with reference, or props without reference. So we will be first of all learning about prop with reference. So here I will be importing this props with reference. Now when you import, just we have to wait a while till our file is running. You can see now it has been run and it will be running it in our default Opera browser. So first of all, it is showing that it will be not running. Now it is starting the development server. So now it has opened my development server here in my Microsoft Edge, because I was just made that default browser. So here now you have to press Ctrl B to close side panel, move here, press Ctrl B to close side panel. Now do it side by side, because here at the right we will be getting our interface of the code, and at the right at the left we will be getting all the code which we are doing. So you can see now it is saying compiled successfully. It is totally empty because we are not getting anything, and our localhost is running successfully. Now we are getting all this stuff. We have just import prop with reference. Now we have to see at the backend what props do. So basically here, if I move to inspect, and then I will be moving to console, like we were when we were working with JSX, we were doing these all stuff. So here I will be moving to console. You can see it is saying that it is not found. Save this all stuff. You will be just now not getting this. If I reload, you can see all the things is removed. Now here you have to move. Then I will be writing here props. So here I will be writing here props, and after writing props, here we have imported props with reference. So here I will be writing prop with reference, close this. Then here I will be writing props is here, save this. Then you can see we are getting the error here. Error is coming because we are importing props without reference here, and you can see we are just getting prop with reference. We have imported from React. So I want to show you one thing, that props work when we have to import it through React. So now we have imported through React, so it is giving error that props are not working, JSX is not running, and all this stuff you can see here. So it is saying that React DOM is having any error or like this. So now here I will be doing one thing. I will be importing this prop here, so we will be getting its reference. So for getting the reference of prop, you have to move in this main tag. Now if I move on this file, so you will be getting the reference of the prop directly here. So here you will be getting the breakpoints here, call stack. So you have to now move to this XHR fetch breakpoints. So you can put any of the breakpoints here related to props. So here I will be writing props1, enter. You will be getting the URL contain props1. Now here I will be just slash that, right here props, enter. Now it is getting the props folder. You can see props file we are getting here. So now here if I move in this, you can see we are getting the props file, and like this it has just having the it is now having the props reference. You can see Now if I just show you, you can see it is having the prop reference which is looking good. So like this here, I want to show you now. If I do any changes here, like if I write here h1 tag, I just want to show you, if you want to do any changes in your prop reference, so you have to move in this tag after this. Then you have to just do one thing right here. Just you have to move here after this. Then after moving here, you have to just move down, and then you have to just move after this tag. Then here you have to write here like this. You can see nothing is working because we have just not edited here. So you can just edit these all things if you want to edit here. So here now you can just copy the file name, or you can just save as here like this. So you can see we are getting the prop folder. You can see prop file because we are in the prop section. So like this here, you can work with this prop, and now we are getting the reference of prop which is here. Now you can copy this reference and you can paste it in your prop reference. So when you will be pasting that, you will be not getting any error and your props will be solved. So like this here, you can work with props in React 18 like I was just showing you. You can just write the static folder of props like we have written here, and then we are getting the props file here, like we are getting static/js and props manifest.json file, and in the center we are getting props file in which we are getting the address or props, you can see, which is looking good. So this was the thing which I want to show you. Like this, you can work with props in React 18. So this was the small video about props which I want to show you. Like previously on we have done JSX. So like this, props is also you can say the front end of JSX which we are working, but in React 18 props are used at the back end here, which I want to show you. So this was the video about props. I hope you understand what are props in React 18 and how to use it. If you have understand, enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos, and share this video so more people can learn and they can also take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future that will giving you help. So just I'll be meeting next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.